Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Geraldine. If it's your first time tuning into my channel, you are highly welcome. Today we're going to be making stew, and like the title suggested, this stew is fit for Omobo. Yeah. Let's get to see what it's all about, okay? Stay tuned, just relax and have fun. So for this tomato stew recipe, we need some fresh tomatoes, obokwa walawa, yeah, then tin tomatoes, some bell pepper. Now here, over here, I have my chicken stock I already bought the day before, yeah. So in that stock, I used the spices I showed you now, and then the only new thing I used there was ginger and garlic, yeah. But just spice it as you wish. I've washed up my tomatoes and peppers and onions. So here I'm just cutting it into sizable pieces because I'll be blending them up in a bit. Then I'll put in this pot, yeah. I call the shakara stage. Yeah, so you have to be careful and have your paper towels handy. So I'm adding my crushed tomatoes. That will make the color. Yes, we're almost there. And here we have it, our tomatoes all dry, and we're ready to make our own stew. Yeah, guys. So in this same pot, I'll put some olive oil or any oil of your choice. Yeah, just as much as needed to fry your stew. You don't want to have less oil, otherwise it will not fry well. Instead, what I would recommend is after frying your stew, you can scoop off some of the oil. Yeah, it's better to have too much than too little if you want to get the perfect stew. Yeah. So we will saute the onions now, add a little bit of salt. Yeah, and then we'll go ahead to scoop in our tomatoes, measuring as we add. Remember, our goal is to have a little bit more oil so that the stew can fry well. But if you don't want to fry your tomatoes from so it's actually okay to go ahead and enjoy it, like spice it from here without frying further. Yeah, but if you are making for more, yeah, you have to fry it well, guys. I'm joking, guys. By the way, the frying will not take so long because we have already steam dried our tomatoes. Yeah, meanwhile, instead of two nut cubes, I'll be using one. Yeah, come together. And guys, let me mention this: stirring, constant stirring is key in this process. Nke a bụrụ sinye may travel. Yeah, so this is what my tomatoes looking like now. Yeah, at this point I can go ahead and spice. Yeah, but if you want, you can even fry it more. So I'll spice it up now. Mana ọ bụrụkwa ụmụ ọkpụ ka ị na-esiri o, a na-akwa akọtụrụ ha meat ha akọtụ. Yeah, you don't cut their meat, like you give it to them as it is in chunks. Ya wụrụ chicken, ibunye ha ozu the chicken. Ya wụrụkwa na anụ, i just bunye ha like that. Now it's time to add our chicken stock. A watch, you will see that I put in drops little at a time because this stew has to be as thick as possible. Yeah, so it Just present this anywhere and you get your approval. So meanwhile, with just a dish, tinyekwara here salad, like with some fresh greens, but nye ha mayonnaise na kakajira ha if they want to. Yeah, guys, very important to pamper them, okay? Yeah. So from here, I'll say thank you for hanging on with me. Thanks for sticking around. And thanks for supporting my channel. I really appreciate you. I'll see you in my next recipe, in my next video. Stay tuned. Have a beautiful week.